In today's video, I wanted to share with you some exciting new Instagram updates that I think you will love. If you are new here, hi, I'm Louise. Here on this channel, I talk all about building an online business. So if that is something you are doing, definitely hit subscribe down below. All right, so the first update is the link sticker. The link sticker allows you to add a little sticker to your Instagram stories and link people from Instagram to your website or wherever you would like them to go. This is fantastic news because up until this point, we only had the swipe up feature, and that was only available to those that had 10,000 followers or more. So I absolutely love this for all my small business owners out there. You can now use the link sticker and you can send people to your website and therefore make more money from your efforts on Instagram. So all you have to do to use this is grab your phone and go ahead and post an Instagram story. All right, so I'm gonna select story and then post a story. Let's just do an image for now. Okay, then I'm gonna click the little sticker icon. Then you will now see link. Now I've been told that it is visible for all accounts now. So if it's not, go and run an update on your Instagram and that should make it visible. If not, I would just expect that it is being rolled out to you. Okay, so you're gonna click on the little link icon. And then from here, you can go ahead and paste in your URL. So you can send this to your website, you could send it to your YouTube channel, wherever you want it to go. So I'm just gonna send this to my website, hit done. And now it's going to be a little link sticker like that. You can move it around and you can also tap on it to change the color. Okay, and that's it. Then if you want, you can also add like a little GIF so people know to actually click that. So again, let's go into stickers. This time hit GIF and I'll do something like click here. See what's available. Right, and make it obvious that I want people to actually click that. Okay, so that is the link sticker. Wonderful news, as I said, for small business owners out there. The next update is that you can finally post directly from your desktop. So this is my Instagram account. If you're not following me yet, come and do that. I share lots about behind the scenes of building an online business, plus lots of my cute puppy, Charlie. So to post on desktop, all you have to do is go up here to the plus sign, click on that, and then you can either drag your photos or videos here, or you can hit select from your computer. So I have this little example post here. Let's open that up. Okay, so you can crop it on here. You can also decide the dimensions over here. Okay, perfect. And if you wanted to add multiple photos, you could go ahead and do that there. All right, so I'm gonna hit next. Then you'll see filters and adjustments, just like you would on mobile. I'm gonna hit next, and then you can go ahead and write your caption. So as simple as that for you to now add your photo on desktop, then just hit share. The final update I wanted to share is the brand new Instagram Collabs feature. This is really cool because you can share a post, but it will actually appear on two profiles at the same time and show both of your usernames, therefore reaching both audiences. So I think this is a really great strategy for growing your reach on Instagram and getting your profile more exposure. So I asked my team member Taylor to help me out in demoing this one. So we thought we would do a post all about working as a team. So I have a little boomerang here of our team and a post that we've written. I'm going to share this, but I'm going to add Taylor as a collaborator, and it's also going to show up on her account. Okay, so I'm going to open up Instagram and post a regular feed post. So I'm going to click on the plus sign at the top of my profile, then select post. Great, and find that boomerang. Okay, then I'm going to hit next, continue as a post, and if I wanted to, I could add a filter. Okay, then I'm going to hit next and paste my caption in here. Then I'm going to click tag people. So I'm going to click that, and now you will see the option to invite collaborator. So I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to search for Taylor. There she is. Okay, awesome. So as you can see, if she accepts, your post will be shared to their followers and they'll be shown as an author on the post. Perfect. Okay, so I'm going to hit done, and I'm going to go ahead and share that. Okay, great. So now we just need her to accept our request. So Taylor said that it came in as a notification for her. She has accepted it, and now you can see exactly what that looks like. So we are both listed as authors, which looks amazing. And now if we go and click on her profile, you'll see that that post is visible on her profile as well. So yeah, absolutely love this feature, and I can see you using this a lot in your business. All right, so those are the 3 most important Instagram updates I wanted you to know about. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, let me know by giving it a thumbs up, share a comment down below, and don't forget to hit subscribe. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I'll see you real soon with another one.